How to stop automatically following other Instagram accounts. So if you want to stop automatically following other Instagram accounts, then first, there is no option for automatically following Instagram accounts. Your Instagram may be logged in from other places. So go to your profile on your Instagram application, just open it up and then go with your profile, which will be on the bottom right. From the profile, go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from there, you can go with the account center section. Under account center, you need to just scroll down and then go with the option of password and security. Under password and security, you'll find an option where you're logged in. You need to tap on it. And if you recognize device, then it's okay. But if you have any unrecognized devices that you don't use, then you just need simply tap on that device and log out that device. And after logging out, it will automatically stop following other Instagram accounts. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.